Having a website and online presence strategy allows you to market yourself and your business online. A website is also important because it helps to establish credibility as a business or as a job seeker or as a marketer. So, today I'll show you how you can create a website for yourself or for your business for marketing whole things whatever you want to provide. Either you want to sell yourself, either you want to sell your product. So for these things you are not going to even spend 1 rupee or $1. So what you are going to do, just follow these steps whatever I am showing here. After completing this course you will be able to create website like this free of cost. So just see the overview of the website, and here you can see whole things. I'll teach you whole things, how you can edit, how you can do these things from scratch, step by step, so you don't have to miss any step. Just you have to follow whole things according to me. Whatever I am showing you, just you have to follow. So without wasting time, let's get started.